So we all know that the passing percentage of examination is just 15 to 20 percentage. But सब लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? सब लोग एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, सब रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, सब लोग वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं जो एग्जाम के लिए नेसेसरी है. तो फिर गलती हो कहाँ रही है? फेल हो कौन रहा है और क्यों हो रहा है और व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक एंड व्हाट आर द लैकिंग जो जिसकी वजह से वो लोग फेल हो रहे हैं? लाइक दिस इज द जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन. द वन हु स्टडीज वेल और द वन हु प्लेज वेल ऑन द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम. So please watch this video till the end. I'm going to tell you what is the difference between the one who passes the exam and the one who doesn't pass the exam. And I am also going to tell you what are the mistakes we do in the last 15 days. Let's get started on the biggest mistake we do while preparing is not trusting ourselves. See guys, I know only 15 days are left for the exam and I know how we feel, okay? I know how you're feeling because I have felt this feeling. I know how this newer even doesn't feel like new because we are not happy from inside. We are still like, in the doubt of like, are we gonna pass? Will we pass or not? What is going to happen in the future? I know how it feels at this point, how much anxious you are, how much blank you feel. You start doubting yourself, you start doubting your journey, you start doubting your preparation, like are you even doing right, are you even studying the right resource or not? And I know all of these questions come in our mind. They're stuck with us like anything. And this is the reason I am saying this. Please guys, trust yourself first. The biggest mistake you should avoid is not trusting yourself, not trusting your resource, not trusting the preparation, not trusting that you have studied for 6 months and why will you not pass. So we have to make a mindset that yes, you are going to pass, you have done enough. It's just a game of 15 days more. That's it. Only 15 days you have to give your best. Promise yourself that you'll do the best. You will study like anything. You will give your best this exam. You'll make the most out of this 15 days. Okay. And this is the time we start feeling the most alone. And that is why I'm making this video, because I want to remind that yes, you are not alone. You are not someone who is not feeling right. And I am here to remind you that you should not doubt your potential at any cost. You are doing your best, you're giving your best, and you have to give your best for the next 15 days as well. And this is the number one reason, guys, why we are failing in this exam so much, why the passing percentage is so low. And understand this one thing, that you have to study. I know you feel like giving up at this point, okay? You feel like, you don't want to study anymore. You've came to a point that it is like, you're all done with the studies. But I really want to remind you that please guys, do not stop studying at this point. Do not doubt. Do not let this thought come into your mind like exam mein yaad nahi aaya to. Please stop doing this to yourself. You have to understand this one simple thing, that you have to do it for yourself, okay? Nobody is going to come to save you. You have to study, you have to do it for yourself. Only you can save yourself from this. Even God can't come to save you if you have not studied. Even God can't help you if not given your best. See, I know destiny सब कुछ होता है. I know all of this stuff, okay? कि luck होता है and all of whatever जो भी है. In my belief, what I think is destiny is always changeable, okay? It all depends on us, how we are dealing with the things, how we are approaching this exam, how we are approaching this life as a whole, okay? You have to understand कि सिर्फ luck पे dependent नहीं होता है. It is you who decides the destiny. It is our hard work, our determination, our consistency that decides कि हम pass होंगे या नहीं, even in exam and as life as well. So I really want you to understand कि please stop saying this yourself कि ये मैं पास नहीं हो पाऊंगा, मुझे याद नहीं आएगा. Stop saying these things to yourself. And यही reason है जो पास हो जाते हैं, जो नहीं हो पाते. This is only the game of mindset, like the how you're dealing with it, okay? And I think when we change our mindset, so many things in our life becomes easier and starts making sense. And this is the reason I'm trying to say कि please believe in yourself. इसी reason से मैं इतना emphasize कर रही हूँ इस point में, because you know what, the exam is not hard. Believe me guys, exams इतनी hard नहीं है. एग्जाम में बहुत when you go in the exam you will feel like बहुत vague questions आते हैं. कुछ तो questions ऐसे लगेगा like what is examiner is trying to test us. See, the exam is very simple, okay? It's only us who have complicated it. I don't know for what reason and for what is the reason behind it. On the examiner, पता है क्या करता है? He is only asking you things which is very common. Only common things are asked in the exam. Believe this fact, okay? Understand this fact. Always remember this one thing, that only common things are asked in the exam. No rocket science, no fancy things are asked in the exam. Examiner भी नहीं चाहता कि आप लोग fail हो जाओ. And trust me guys, the examiner is only trying to test how well are you performing under the pressure. And the next important thing I want you to focus on is make a routine. फॉर दिस 15 days प्लीज़ मेक अ प्रॉपर रूटीन कि इस टाइम पे उठना है, इस टाइम पे सोना है। एंड प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि जो जो 9 से 11 का टाइम है ना, जो हमारे एग्जाम का टाइम है, प्लीज़ ट्राई टू बी फोकस्ड इन दैट पीरियड। प्लीज ट्राई टू मेक अ शेड्यूल जिसमें 9 से 11:30 और 2 से 4:30 यू आर स्टडिंग विद फुल फोकस, बिकॉज सी हमारा एग्जाम इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन द सेम टाइम। ओके, सो मेक अ हैबिट, मेक ट्रेन योर बॉडी एंड योर माइंड इन अ वे दैट इट हैज टू परफॉर्म द बेस्ट उस टाइम। एंड आई होप कि आप समझे कि वाई एम आई फोकसिंग सो मच ऑन दिस थिंग्स एट दिस पॉइंट, वाई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक टॉपिक्स, because I know you all have those things, I know you all have those list of topics जो इस टाइम पे important है, and you all have everything, so I don't want to waste my time and your time again giving you a list of topics to read. And that's why I'm saying that please start training your mind and your body for the exam abhi se, because we have to prepare for the day, we have to prepare everything, our environment, our focus, time, everything according to exam. So please, I hope you understand कि why it is important to train our body and mind in a particular way. And ये बात maybe आपको समझ में ना भी आए इस time, but after exam you will realize कि this is so important to train your body and mind in a way that it gets trained, it gets used to the exam का environment. So one common question जो बहुत पूछा जा रहा है is like किससे फोकस करना है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने इस टाइम पे। मैं बताऊँ एक बात, एवरी सब्जेक्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। मैं तो ऐसे बोलती हूँ कि हर सब्जेक्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है। नो सब्जेक्ट शुड बी ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए जो आपने पढ़ा ही ना हो, जो देखा ही ना हो, जिसके बारे में कुछ सुना ही ना हो। ऐसा करना ही नहीं है, ठीक है। बट वॉट आई वॉन्ट इज कि इस टाइम पे उस फोकस ऑन दो सब्जेक्ट विच आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, लाइक एनएट, फार्मैक, लाइक माइक्रो। ओके, these are the subjects which give you like direct marks आते हैं subjects, so directly you get questions which can be solved if you have revised it very well in the last 15 days. So this new year's, please please promise yourself that you will give your best in the last 15 days. You will not stop studying. See, you have to understand कि कोई भी तुमको बचाने नहीं आएगा, only you have to help yourself. Okay, only you can save yourself. प्लीज डोंट गो इन टू दिस लूप ऑफ थिंकिंग के आई नॉट रिमेंबर, नहीं पढ़ता हूँ, चलेगा नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में दे देंगे। प्लीज स्टॉप गोइंग इन टू दिस लूप ऑफ थॉट्स, इट विल नॉट स्टॉप एंड दिस थॉट्स विल कम एंड विल अभी और भी बढ़ेंगे टुवर्ड्स द एग्जाम। ओके, कुछ भी हो जाए अपने ही नोट्स पढ़ने हैं, अपने ही रिसोर्स पे ध्यान देना है इस टाइम पे, उसको ही रिवाइज करना है। प्लीज डो नॉट ट्राई टू चेंज एनीथिंग। अब प्लीज मेक इन हैबिट के अब जो पढ़ना है, जो पढ़ा है वही काम आएगा, एंड कुछ भी न्यू अब ऐड नहीं होगा, कुछ भी न्यू ऐड नहीं कर। इन अ वीक और सो यू विल गेट योर सेंटर्स एंड हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यू हैव 2 days ऐसे बीच में, सो यू कैन ट्रैवल एंड रेस्ट वेल। ओके, ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एग्जाम है तो सोए ही नहीं है, यू नॉट टेकिंग रेस्ट एट ऑल। सी गाइस, इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम एक अच्छी नींद लेके जाए। आई नो इट्स हार्ड टू स्लीप a day before exam, a night before exam, but trust me, you need that much sleep to stay alert and most focused in the exam. So I hope you don't sacrifice on the sleep, and I hope you understand my points. And I know it might not make sense right now, but it will make sense to you after exam. You will remember that I was speaking all of these things, and yes, it is so much important to focus on these things rather than watching how to pass FME in the last 15 days wale or videos on the YouTube which come and which you think which will make you pass. It won't. Okay, those tricks and strategies कि लास्ट दिन में ये पढ़ लो वो पढ़ लो वाले videos do not work. Okay, it will not work. Only a long term memory is going to work in the exam. ये जो लास्ट में ऐसे आते हैं ना videos which says कि ये पढ़ लो you will pass, वो पढ़ लो you will pass, these all things, this is just fake. Okay, it is just for the TRP. दिस थिंग्स डू नॉट वर्क इन रियल लाइफ। ओके, जो आपको काम है एग्जाम में, इट इज नॉट दैट। जो आपकी लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी है, जो आपने लॉन्ग टर्म मेंटेन करी है, बनाई है फ्रॉम दिस 6 months ऑफ प्रिपरेशन और वॉट एवर टाइम यू प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम, उसकी नॉलेज काम आने वाली, ना कि कोई रैंडम वीडियो की। ठीक है, so please don't waste your time on such thing which is not important at this point, and anything which which drains your energy, ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जिससे आपको लगता है कि विच इज़ नॉट गिविंग यू बेनिफिट, विच इज़ वेस्टिंग योर टाइम और विच इज़ डिस्टर्बिंग द मेंटल पीस, प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दोज थिंग्स एंड दोज पीपल. Please, it's time to focus on you. This is the time which you have to give yourself and really make it about yourself and your studies. So please cut off those things, those people which bother you, which destroys your peace, and please make the best out of these days, because yes, you will be thankful for yourself that you made it, you did it, and you believed in yourself, you believe in the time you are giving this to this exam. Please don't lose hope at this point. And अगर ऐसे thoughts आते भी हैं तो please imagine your parents, how much hard work they do for us to make our lives better, and how much struggles they have been through just to see you as a doctor, to give you all the best things in the world. And please think about them, please think about the day you will pass, and how much happy they would be for you, how much proud you will feel, how much proud they will feel. Okay, more than you, they are gonna be happy and celebrating for yourself, for you. So please किसी के लिए भी नहीं तो please do it for your parents. And I hope you all pass. This is just one of the many steps which you have to clear in life to go ahead. And believe me guys, the life is so much more than this exam. Even after this exam, you have to do internship. And यहाँ पे भी सब FMG को इतना weak समझते हैं कि उनको कुछ आता नहीं है, they don't know anything, they don't have any knowledge, तो ऐसे ही आ गए उठ के फौरन से पढ़ के मजे करके. So please, we have to prove everyone wrong. There is so many things which you have to deal एग्जाम के बाद भी. प्लीज थिंक इट लाइक वे, हमें एग्जाम क्लियर करना है फॉर अस, फॉर आवर पेरेंट्स, एंड for this community as a whole, because we have to prove that we are no less than anyone, we are no less than any IMG. This cycle of comparison will not even end here, it will come behind you till you pass your PG. So this is my request to you, that please stop doubting yourself. Please do not let anyone think that we FMGs are less than anyone. Prove it. Okay, इतनी मेहनत करो कि सफलता शोर मचा दे. ठीक है. So this is the only message I want to give you. And keep believing in yourself, keep believing in God. Okay, अगर मेहनत करी है तो फल मिलेगा. If you have put in your energy into something, it will come back to you in any way. And believe it, that yes, I have done enough, I have studied enough, and it will come back to me. Okay, I deserve to pass, I have done everything possible to clear this exam. So yes, you all will make it, and I know it. And yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep studying, keep focusing, keep believing in yourself, keep believing in God. And a very happy new year from me and my family to you and yours. Yeah, bye bye.